Hey guys, it's Deana, and today I'm going to show you how to make Nước Mắm Chấm, which is a Vietnamese sweet chili fish sauce. It is a different sauce that is used in many Vietnamese dishes. It will either be set on the side or drizzle on top, or the food is dunked inside. So this is something that you'll use all the time in Vietnamese cooking. Let's get cooking. Some things that you'll need lime, garlic, red Thai chili. First, we'll add half a cup of fish sauce. You can use any brand you like. I just use a normal, darker fish sauce, so the squid brand works for me. The fish sauce is really salty, so to this recipe, we'll be adding half a cup of water, but it is warm water that I have set aside, where I'm going to add in the half a cup of sugar to dissolve the sugar quickly and easily, which will help incorporate the sweetness into the fish sauce quicker. So mix it up really well until it's dissolved. To the fish sauce, we'll add some acid, 3 to 4 tablespoons of lime juice to help cut the fishiness, and add some tartness to our dipping sauce. The sugar is finally dissolved. Let's add that to our mixture. This will lighten up the fish sauce and add a sweet element to the savory, salty, tangy flavors. Next, we'll add 1 teaspoon of sriracha. This is going to add another depth of flavor to our dipping sauce. Mince your garlic really well. You'll need about 1 tablespoon to add to this. It's going to add a nice, fresh, garlicky flavor to our dipping sauce. If you like it spicy, chop up some Thai chili pepper and add it to your fish sauce. I like to use both red and green for aesthetic reasons. They're both equally spicy. If you don't want it too spicy, you can remove some of the seeds. The seeds is where the heat is. And if you don't want it spicy at all, you can omit this and add a crushed chili instead. It will add more tang versus a heat. And that's it, guys. This dipping sauce is ready. Mix it up real well. It will last in your fridge for 2 weeks if you don't contaminate it. You can drizzle it onto your meat, your food, your noodles. Dip it with anything that you want. It is delicious and goes well with many dishes. I hope that you enjoyed cooking with me today and continue to practice and become the master chefs in your own home. If you enjoy my video, click like at the bottom and subscribe to my channel. Follow my Instagram for updates on new recipes and dishes. You can find written recipe on my website listed below in the description area or at the end of this video. Until next time, my friends, goodbye.